What's going on, guys? This is Mario with MIPD 1980 EDC. We're just out here in Austin. We wanted to get out of the house, so we came out to this little hiking trail. I believe it's called Bull Creek. You'll probably hear the water running over here, so we're gonna just take a look a little bit, see what we're doing today. There you go. Grab my coffee here real quick. Pretty sure you guys probably can hear there's the highway right over there. But yeah, sometimes like Todd says from Pocket EDC, you just got to get out there and find the trees and the trail, you know. Came out here with the kids. Here taking pictures.
Dad, you missed the turtle.
The turtle, Ma?
There was a turtle and then there's a baby. Mama and then there was a baby.
A mama turtle and a baby turtle?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
You could literally see them anywhere here. But I think they're down there. You said there was fish? Yeah, they were over there. Can't they walking?
A walk? Okay.
Can I step down here?
Skibbity toilet wrist. Go ahead. How you gonna get up? I mean, you should be able to get up. All right. Zeke got his RC car out here. Brother. There you go. Get it out. Something in where, bud? Whoa. Brother. What's floating? Go. Just out here having some fun. Let's see. Can we set this thing up somewhere? Alright guys, so we're out here just listening to nature. Let's see. What am I carrying today? I got, well, first of all, got my CRKT spew, neck knife. What else do I have? I have buck 110 on the side sheath that I made from Hobby Lobby. I believe this is the one that I got from Deep South Cutlery. What else do I have? I have a yellow composition with the half stops. Case Sodbuster Jr. with an apple teener. Carrying it in make cutlery great again.
I made it right on the edge.
Leather slit. Man, there's something about that running water, you know.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the camera, bruh. Of course. I tried it on this morning, it turned on, and I was like, we should be good. And it runs out of juice. What's up, bud?
Hi.
I got my little pocket caddy. Come over here, bud. Sit down. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
This is the famous Zeke. So in my little pouch, I have my pocket cross from Brother Dwayne. I have the lip balm. I have my flashlight. There you go. And my brass Fisher Space Pen. So, yeah, we're just out here relaxing. This boy brought his RC truck that he got for Christmas from his uncle. So yeah, let's oh yeah, toting the Yeti green cup with a good cup of Joe. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright. Let's keep going, see where this leads. Your love, oh Lord, reaches to the heavens. Your faithfulness stretches to the sky. Your righteousness is like the mighty mountains. Like the oceans wide. Yeah, I'm right here. I will lift my voice to worship you, my King. I will. Yeah, I am right here. There's steps. Tu amor, Señor, se extiende hasta los cielos. Tu fidelidad. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Man, somebody's using their blower up there, messing with my nature sounds. Good grief. Mario, what are you doing? You handsome boy.
I know.
That's my boy Mario. Say hi, Mario.
Hi, Mario.
There you go. Smart aleck like his daddy. All right, guys. So we kind of finished off over there at Bull Creek, and now we're at St. Edwards here, and it's literally right down the road from the other trail. So yeah, Mario says that I'm already talking to myself, but it is what it is. Let's see how good of a trail this one is.
Met a man named Mario and left his home to Florida. Dream big, turn check west. Nights for vintage now. He walks in his boots.